Hey, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back. So today I have my July kit lineup for you. It's currently like June 14th, so it's probably a little bit unhinged to be filming this right now. However, I am obsessed with this lineup and I'm just very excited to share it with y'all, and I want to like start putting these bases down. So yeah, I feel like I've got some good ones this month. I'm excited. Okay, so first for the week of the 4th of July, so July 4th through the 10th, I'm going to be using Campfire from SPC. And literally the only reason I'm using this that week is the sparkler full box. I think that's so cute, and I think that this is like the perfect alternative 4th of July kit. And I had initially planned to do champagne lights foil with this. I think that's going to pair really nicely, and I still am going to do champagne lights, so I'm using champagne lights bougie boxes. However, now this is where y'all are gonna be like, Domi, what the fuck is wrong with you? But just hear me out. I feel like this is gonna be mad cute. So I'm gonna be layering the Champagne Lights bougie boxes with the Firework foil bundle from AliciaCraft in sparkly orange. First of all, her sparkly orange is beautiful, and I just think it's gonna pull out like the oranges in the kit really nicely. And I knew that I wanted to use fireworks with this kit, even though there aren't really fireworks in the kit, but it fits the week. And I really love these underlays. They have like the sparklers, they have fireworks, they have like little rockets, so it's not like overwhelmingly fireworky, and I think that it's gonna work really nicely with the kit, and I think that it's gonna be next level layered over the Champagne Lights bougie boxes. So yeah, this is my combo for the week of the 4th of July. It's definitely a bit risky, but hopefully it turns out cute. We'll see. So for the week of July 11th through the 17th, I am using the Biggest Fan kit from SPC. It is the week of Hell is Real, which I've been talking about all year. I'm so stoked. And FC Cincinnati is actually competitive this year for the first time since they've been in the league. So it should be a fun match. I'm stoked. And then also, I just convinced Michelle to go to Hell is Too Real with me on the 16th. So Hell is Real is the 17th, and then Hell is Too Real is the 16th, and that's gonna be Crew 2 versus FC Cincinnati 2. And I'm so stoked. I love Crew 2. I would die for them, not to be dramatic. But anyway, TLDR, I'm going to 2 soccer matches that week, huge rivals. Oh, and it's the MLS Next Pro inaugural season, so like Hell is Too Real is like the inaugural matchup between Crew 2 and FC Cincinnati 2, so it's just, it's gonna be a fun time all around. So anyway, I need like the perfect kit to commemorate that, and because of that, this is unfortunately a week where I'm going to have to sacrifice the aesthetic for the cause. So you'll see what I mean here. So first we've got the kit here, and then I'm gonna be pulling in gold hollow. So first I've got the Ted Lasso quotes because it's fitting. And then I'm gonna be using a gold hollow celestial bundle just because I wanted to use gold hollow, and like this is the only format that I have, so it'll work. This is where it gets a little questionable, a little dicey, a little murky, but if you don't know, like checkered flags are like a huge thing in soccer, so I wanted to pull that theme in even though there's no checkers in the kit. It might not look the best, but I've got to do it for the boys, you know? So our colors are black and gold. So I've got one sheet in gold hollow and then one in just black. And then I didn't have the extras for this because I ordered it after she discontinued all of the old format extras. So I have this yellow one that I got from Caress Press, which I figured is a close enough match. And then I'm going to be using the checkered overlays in black. Oh, these are from Plannahannah, by the way. So are the Ted Lasso overlays. And then, okay, so, sorry, I'm getting distracted here. Okay, so I'm going to be using the checkered overlays over the 15 mil, and then it's going to like look like our black and gold yellow flag, and I'm very hype. And then, because our colors are black and gold, I'm going to be pulling in some of the extras from the I'm a Fake kit. So yeah, this is everything that I'm using for Hell is Real week. Very interested to see how this spread turns out. I fully acknowledge that it probably won't be the cutest, but we have to make sacrifices for the things that we love, right? Okay, then for the week of July 18th through the 24th, that is my friend Sarah's birthday. And she always loves to do like a very bright, fun, summery pool party kit for her birthday week. So I thought that this kit would be perfect. So this is the Pool Vibes kit from SPC. It's a reformat of a mystery from last year, and it's just so bright and fun, and I think it's perfect for her birthday week. And then I'm keeping the foil pairing super simple. I'm using the new bundle from SPC in the Champagne Lights and Gold Mixed Metal. It's a really simple combo, but I think that it's gonna be really, really pretty together. So that's that. And then the last week of July, so the 25th through the 31st, I'm using the Summer Forever kit from SPC, which is beautiful. This is some of my all-time favorite art. I love it so much. The colors, the vibe. Like I said last year, it's just like if Warped Tour were a pool party, and like that's my whole vibe. I'm gonna be using the Emo Kid 3 overlays from Plannahannah in Sparkly Hollow. And then I'm also going to be using a Sparkly Hollow Celestial bundle. And then for the underlays, I'm like very proud of this idea, and I think it's gonna be the cutest thing ever. So I really wanted to play up and bring out the checkerboard pattern in the kit. So I'm going to be using the checkerboard underlays in Sparkly Hollow and then black. And I just think that is going to be so freaking cute together. And then I also have the 15 millimeter overlays in Sparkly Hollow as well. So yeah, that is my July kit lineup. Let me spread everything out for you here real quick. All right, so here is my July kit lineup in all its glory. I'm stoked. I think it's gonna be a fun month. I think it's gonna be a really good month spread-wise. So yeah, let me know what kits you're using down below. If we're using any of the same ones, I'm nosy, I'd love to know. But yeah, that's gonna do it for me today. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later.